Dear students and lovers of English language, again this is Dr. Muhammad Shaukat Ansari from MLSM College, Darbhanga, Bihar, interacting with you on an important, relevant, appropriate topic, that is correct uses of verbs. With all pleasures, I must inform you that this is my 14th session in the series of virtual classes. And in the last 3 sessions, I completed almost 12 rules pertaining to correct uses of verb. And in this session, I wish to conclude this topic. In English grammar, there are certain verbs. After them, only and only infinitives are used. What are these verbs? Hope, fail, promise, effort, learn, offer, oppose, swear, refuse, prefer, decide, beg, agree, appear, begin, prepare, regret, try, want, manage, expect, choose, arrange, seem, neglect, attempt, forget, and consent. I repeat for your convenience. The verbs are hope, fail, promise, afford, learn, offer, propose, swear, refuse, prefer, decide, beg, agree, appear, begin, prepare, regret, try, want, manage, expect, choose, arrange, seem, neglect, attempt, forget, consent. These are certain verbs, and the special rule in English grammar propounds, analyzes the fact that after these verbs, only and only infinitives are used. Examples: I hope to see you soon. Don't say, I hope seeing you soon. I hope to see. After hope, there must be infinitive. Mr. Sharma promised to help me. Promised to help. Don't speak or don't write, Mr. Sharma promised helping me. No, promised to help me. They decided to arrange a big party. Decided to arrange. Infinitive. Don't say they decided arranging a big party. No. He always refuses to return loans. Refuses, refused, refusing, refuses. After these verbs like refuse, hope, promise, afford, learn, offer, propose, swear, prefer, decide, beg, agree, appear, begin, prepare, regret, etc. After these verbs, only and only infinitives are used. Here I would like to clarify one very important point for you, that I have some packages in my mind that certainly I will provide on Facebook or YouTube on my channel, Learn English Language Skills with Shaukat Ansari. Certainly I will provide rules in written form. But here my suggestion to all of you, that you can find these verbs, the list of these verbs, special verbs, in any grammar book. Now come to the next rule. And the rule proves the fact, states. What does it say? There are certain words like avoid, admit, anticipate, complete, mind, finish, risk, keep, delay, deny, discuss, keep, imagine, practice, postpone, admit, escape, mention, suggest, stop, deny, excuse, consent, resent, miss, dislike, appreciate, consider, give up. I repeat: avoid, admit, anticipate, complete, mind, finish, risk, keep, delay, deny, discuss, imagine, practice, postpone, admit, escape, mention, suggest, stop, deny, excuse, resent, miss, dislike, appreciate, and give up. If you are using these verbs in a sentence, any one of these verbs, in any form, verb 1 or verb 2 or verb 3 or verb 4 or verb 5, doesn't matter. But if you are using any one of these verbs in a sentence, it means in that sentence, in order to complete the sentence, there must be gerund. Gerunds are used. I mean, ing form of verbs is used. For instances, Ranjan avoids speaking to me. Avoids to speak? No. Avoids speaking to me. He has already given up. Give up? Given up smoking. Don't say he has already given up to smoke. No. Smoking. I keep hoping that he will come. Keep hoping. Don't say or don't write or don't use I keep to hope. I keep hoping. Hoping he will come. She completed writing letters. So after complete, after hope, after dislike, after avoid, there must be gerund. Now come to third rule. And it is important for you to keep in your mind. You know, learning English has got multifaceted objectives. First, you wish to cover your syllabus. And after completing your syllabus, you sit for the examination, and there you long to fetch high marks. And in your examination, grammatical items are advantageous, are marks fetching, are marks giving. Second important objective is that after completing your graduation, you wish to sit for competitive exams, and there English as a paper is available. And after becoming smart in or empowered in English language skills, you can cope up with the situations there. You can solve the questions from English language paper there. And third pertinent point or objective is that if you learn English, you can use it in your daily life situation, and that will score your prestige. That will prove your worth among the persons with whom you are talking to. So come to the next rule. We have some important verbs, and after these verbs, ing form, I mean continuous form of tense, doesn't come, or these verbs can't be converted into continuous form. Never. They are always used in simple present tense or in simple past tense or in simple future tense. In present simple tense, according to subject, verb 1 or verb 5. And in past tense, verb 2. And in future tense, according to subject, shall or will plus verb 1. These verbs are see, hear, smell, notice, recognize, appear, look, seem, want, wish, desire, feel, like, love, hate, hope, refuse, prefer, think, suppose, believe, agree, understand, remember, forget, know, have, own, possess, and belong to. I repeat for your convenience. See, hear, smell, notice, recognize, appear, look, seem, want, wish, desire, feel, like, love, hate, hope, refuse, prefer, prefer, think, suppose, believe, agree, understand, remember, forget, know, have, own, own, possess, and belong to. These verbs in sentences are always used in verb 1 or verb 5, I mean in present tense, and in verb 2, I mean in past tense, and verb 1 in future tense. These special verbs cannot be used in continuous form of verbs. For instances, I like what you propose. I like, this is correct. But when you speak or write English and you say that I am liking what you propose, it's wrong. Like cannot be converted, cannot be transformed into continuous tense, cannot be used with ing. Another example, he knows me very well. Don't say he is knowing me very well. Just he knows me very well. I understand what has been taught in the classroom. Don't say I am understanding. I understand. I hear music. Don't say I am hearing music. Okay? And my dear good students, you can say I think you are right. Don't say I am thinking you are right. I think you have got my point. Now come to the next rule, last but not least. We have since, S-I-N-C-E, and for, F-O-R. In perfect continuous tense, I mean present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous tense, has been plus verb 4, have been plus verb 4 according to subject. Again I say, in conjunction with subjects. The number of subject, the nature of subject. In past tense, had been plus verb 4. And in future tense, will have been or shall have been, will or shall according to subject again, and verb 4. But the question is, the pertinent question is, where you use since or where you use for. The meaning is same. So I want you to be firm, to be solid in using correct sentences. Now let me propound the fact. Since with point of time. Point of time, I mean clear time. Since 2005, since Monday, since June, since this morning, since 5 o'clock, since 10 o'clock, since 10 a.m., since 9 p.m., like this. So with point of time, since, and for with period of time. Period of time. For 12 months, for 5 years, for 5 hours, like this. So where there is point of time, clear cut time, you use since before that. And when there is a period, a vague period, you use before that for. Examples. Take the example right now. Dr. Shaukat Ansari has been teaching English for the last half an hour. My friend has been writing a letter for 10 minutes. My brother has been working in this office since 2005. Since 2005 point of time. That's why since. Since 2005, since Monday, since 14th of April, since June, like this. But for 2 hours, 10 minutes, 10 days, 10 weeks, 10 years, like this. My dear good students, thank you very much. See you in the next virtual class. And I hope that you have been deriving special benefits with all these virtual classes, and certainly you will feel a sense of satisfaction. So thank you very much and see you in the next class.